Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log out of your Bitcoin.com application on your mobile device. To log out of Bitcoin.com app, first of all, open your Bitcoin.com application from your app drawer. Also make sure that you are inside the home page, and once you are in the home page, tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. This will open up the settings menu where you need to tap on your email address where it says sign in as at the top. On the next page, tap on the log out button and confirm login out, and then you will be able to sign out of your Bitcoin.com application using your mobile device. So that's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.